It's another beautiful morning in Everett Marina. I'm walking from the south docks to the other side of the marina to meet Curtis from Snow Co. trailer, who's going to inspect and do repairs on the trailer so that it'll be roadworthy to get the boat back to Texas. This catamaran looks to be homemade. And then down here, harbor seal. I just passed the central docks heading to the north, and over there, little house of canvas. This is where I dropped my mini top off to get restitched. It had stitch rot, so the stitches were pulling out. And I said they could fix it hour and a half of labor. Over that way is the travel lift, where I got launched on Friday last week, and on this side is the marina office, where I spent an hour getting all my documents squared away. There's an aluminum boat, and this style is popular here. 2014 Pacific 2600 V Pilot House. Started at 150, marked down to 115, 105, and now $90,000. Here are the north docks, and then there's going to be a public boat launch off that direction in the future, and then vehicle and trailer parking out here. And as they go around the corner, that's where Performance Marine is, and that's where my trailer is going to be stored for the 2 months the boat's in the water. My boat surveyor was this one that recommended this place. Said there are signs even on the fence. My boat trailer is stored in there somewhere. All right, so it's a Magic Tilt, Magic Trail trailer. It's galvanized. So some of the issues is it doesn't have an emergency brake switch. See, there's a lot of rust. Not too much worried about the rust because it's galvanized. It's got some hokey bunks there, but I guess they're okay. They're pressure treated. But really the biggest issues are the brakes and wheel hubs. They're just completely rusted out. I want to make sure the brakes work. I'm going to get new tires for it. So they have those at Discount Tire, so I'll go there. The lights work, so that's not an issue. The bunks seem to be okay. But it's definitely those brakes that are a problem. I got to meet Curtis from Snow Co. Trailer Repairs. So we looked at the trailer. He believes it's overall good shape, but it definitely does need brakes because they weren't engaging at all. And we're going to replace the actuator for that as well. So new brakes, all 4 tires. I'm over the waterfront center now, and I'll have some infographics in here that explain the port's business. This is what that exhibit was about, the Equator South Sea Trading Schooner. And a lot of information over here. I'm hitting it in reverse order of age. So it's commercial fishing, and then timber goods, 1920s. This one's interesting, casket building on the waterfront. Obviously fishing. The wind's picked up. I'm getting a storm. I was gonna go out today and do the autopilot, but it was too windy. So now I need to climb up on here and cover up my windshield. My buddy's still over there. He's been over there for quite a few hours. That covers for storage. However, since I'm in the marina sleeping on the boat, it's giving me a little extra privacy. I put the ones up on the back as well. I have one for the other side, but this side's missing. Not too worried about it. I'm gonna get shades made that fit inside, so I really don't like to climb up on the bow each time to put the cover on. However, they do provide complete blackout.